For today's video, we're going to rise our hands up to the ceiling and bring them back down. Arch your chest up, head follows the hands, and bring it back down. Reach all the way, fingertips tap, bring it down, and we're going to hinge at the hips and walk our arms out forward until we get into a plank position. Now you can also do this with a chair in front of you as a modifier, and you can actually use a chair in front for the entire mobility workout if you choose to do so. Very good. Go into downward dog, back into plank, and we're going to press into a downward dog and back into a plank. Step out to the side, big step out to the side. Very good. And we're going to cross our leg over into a pigeon, and we're going to bring our chest forward, opening up the glutes. Press down and over, and press down and lean into a pigeon position. And we're going to switch sides, sweep the leg underneath you, push your hips back, chest goes down into your lap, and we're sinking down. Very good. And one more repetition. And right back up. We're going to big step out, hand on your thigh, rotate and open up. Bring it back down and reach to the sky. And one more repetition. Tap and reach. Very good. We're going to switch legs, big step forward, and we're going to open up in the opposite direction. Bring it back down and open up. And one more repetition. Bring it down and open up. Very good. Back into the plank, big step back, and we're going to walk our hands all the way back up and rise slow. We're going to go into a wide position, as wide as you comfortably can, and we're going to rock side to side. Now staying in a high position is a little bit easier, but on each repetition try to keep your weight over your thighs and rock deeper on every repetition, side to side. Very good. The lower you could go, the better. Grab the elbows and we're going to free hang. Rock elbows side to side. Try to tap your knees, loosening up that lower back. Very good. Back to center. And we're going to rise up nice and slow. Arch your back. And we're going to go right back into the side-to-side lateral lunges. With each repetition, try to sink a little deeper on each rep. You want to be nice and fluid in today's mobility movement. Very good. We're not doing any long pauses, but we're not bouncing either. We're trying to be as fluid as possible with our movements. Very good. We're going to free hang. Very nice. We're going to rock those elbows side to side, loosening up that lower back. Just like gravity, hang down, side to side. And we're going to hold in center. Let your hands reach down in front. Now if your hands can't touch the floor in this position, you can rest both arms on your legs. We're going to go over to the right and hold. And we're going to walk our hands across all the way to the other side. And we're going to hold steady. Bring our chest towards our lap. Very nice. We're going to walk all the way back across. And we're going to hold out here over the ankle. And again, if you can't get as deep, just hold onto your thigh or lean onto your knee. Very nice. We're walking across the other side. And hold. And walk it back into center. And we're going to focus on pressing the palms as firmly to the floor as we can and try to bring our chest into our lap. Now if your palms don't go all the way to the floor, you could use yoga blocks, or you could have a box in front of you or your chair. We're going to walk it back in, hands on your legs, slowly unwind your back. And we're all done for today. Great job.